What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. What are we doing today, Arm?
We're taking apart the E46, gonna see what's wrong with it, and then work our way up and down.
Get some build plans, see what's wrong with the car.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's basically what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna pull the E46 from the backyard into the garage and get started on it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned. All right, guys, here's the current condition of the brand new E46 M3.
Cheapest 05 comp
in the world.
That's gonna leave a scratch, by the way. That's fine. It's getting cleaned.
All right, we got to get this thing moved into the garage. So let's go ahead and do that now.
Yeah, Arman, I'm gonna. I hit my Cadillac.
Okay, stop. Arman.
Shit. That was a nice workout, wasn't it? You guys are not done. You guys have to.
What?
That's right, y'all.
Oh yeah. All right, guys, we got the car all pulled in, getting ready to start tearing it all apart. Right, boys?
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right, we gotta take this battery. I'll ask him. Okay. Battery's out. We need to take that to get charged. Hi, Gregory. Did you bring this up? Don't kick the car.
Did you get that?
Greg kicked it and then the freaking hood closed. Pop the hood. Shit, you gotta turn the key on to pop the hood. You dumbass. Alright, guys, we're gonna start taking this car apart now. Be careful, this shit will fall.
You shouldn't.
It's not.
There it is.
Like this.
You gotta break the bumper, bro.
Alright, the car is up on jack stands. Hood is off. Now we just gotta start pulling this whole front end apart right here so we can get the engine pulled out.
Sponsored by
Red Bull sponsor us.
Watermelon.
First I need money.
I'm telling you, 2J it.
My shut up. Where's your E36?
2J.
Peekaboo. I see you.
Cut me in a bad mom.
Explain yourself.
Well, I'm trying to take this exhausting system. Mama's.
Oh, man. Maher, can you sing us the Persian alphabet?
I hate all of you. Remember that? From the bottom of my heart,
dirt will go in there.
Oh my god. Todd, you stuck?
Kinda.
If it was anyone else, still would have been stuck.
So we got most of the shit off. We're getting ready to pull the engine out.
You do.
But we're gonna take a little lunch break, right, Nada? All right, we are done for tonight. We're gonna pull the engine most likely tomorrow, but it's basically ready to get out. So we'll finish this up tomorrow.
Yeah.
We've just moved up from E36s to E46s. Alright guys, we are back. As you guys can see, he was pulling the car, but we are back with day 2 of the E46 M3 build. Today we are actually going to be removing the engine and starting the disassembly of it. So let's go get
Straight trade right now.
straight trade.
Yeah.
E46 for the Mustang.
Oh yeah. Hands done.
Deal.
You got to do it.
All right, let's go get the engine hoist.
Right. Look at this.
Where?
Right there.
How's that hanging, Jerry? Jerry? Jerry!
Greg kind of sucks. He was the closest one to the body.
Yep, it was Greg. We vote him off. Vote Greg off.
Oh, Greg.
As you guys can see, we actually came to Greg's house to pick up the cherry picker. Because I do not know where mine is.
We're gonna go pick up some cherries.
This is a rental, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a rental too.
Alright, here, I'll hold it. We can go buy one.
What?
Samuel, oh Samuel, where art thou, Samuel? You brought thy cherry picker. Alright guys, we're back home. Now let's get this engine pulled out of here. Alright guys, we just got the engine pulled out. Now next, we're gonna have to pull the tranny apart from the engine. You have to say that on camera, Arm.
No, very good.
Todd! Dude, look at the baby! Look at the
Oh yeah, look at the baby on your freaking belly. Yo, Bob! What was that? Yo, Bob! Alright, enough of shenanigans. Let's pull this tranny off.
Well, here's your problem. You're missing your starter.
Let me ask you guys something. Have either of you ever taken that E46 engine out?
Yeah, absolutely not. What are we getting ready to do, Greg? We just got the tranny off.
Motor.
Now we have to lift the motor to set it on the engine stand right there.
What you doing there, bud?
You got no ass.
Did I give you the
It
nut?
was like hitting a plank, wasn't it?
Bro, you got a fat ass.
I'm slim thick.
With your cute ass.
We caught Arman in action.
Arman's actually doing something?
Bro, that's pretty.
Bro, what does that do with that nut?
Did you put the other side?
Do something. Find a nut.
Let's see your hands. Let's see how dirty they are.
Hey man. See this right here?
Wow. That's the only dirtiness you get when you pull a whole engine?
Yeah, bro, it's weird. I mean, I'm a clean guy. What can I say?
So at the moment, we're labeling all the wires and disconnect. Are you still talking? We labeled all the wires and we're disconnecting them.
That was his nose talking, bro.
Yeah, it probably was his nose talking. Now we're gonna take a little lunch break. Dinner. Thank you to Sam here for the in and out, sponsored by Registered Nurse Services.
Oh yes, it looks good. Looks good. Good. You got it back.
You guys hear that? Greg can taste it.
Wait, what is it?
Wait, you can taste?
Yeah.
You're COVID free?
What's that supposed to mean?
What? Your girlfriend gave me COVID.
What you doing, Sam? You doing homework?
Doing homework. Doing homework. You gotta get that education.
Sam just sitting there on his ass doing homework like a lowlife
Hey,
while we're over here doing some hard work.
I just fed you. Be grateful, Dad.
Thank you, Sam.
I love you. Boo.
Love you. Let's get back to work. We're gonna pull these headers off now. Alright guys, that's all we're going to get to in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next part where we start disassembling this engine. If you haven't already, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.